go, guys. Another Miami trip. Sitting here waiting at the train station. 7 a.m. Flight. So right now the time is 4:52 and the sun hasn't come up yet, guys. So I'm tired, I'm sleepy, I'm grumpy. I may vlog in the airport, I may not, but all I know is Miami, here we come.
Station is Lindbergh Center. Lindbergh Center Station. This is your transfer point to the red and yellow rail lines.
Alright, so somehow I got through. I was in expedited security at TSA and didn't take my shoes off, belt, none of that. Not even take out the laptop out of the bag. So I think I'm kind of liking this new TSA.
Coming out here shortly, we would always recommend passengers to remain seated with all seatbelts securely fastened. And for those of you who wish to sleep on this flight, please have your seatbelt visible to the cabin crew. So once with your...
Alright, so I'm here on the ground here in Fort Lauderdale. Things are, you know, a little cloudy today, but they're still not going to stop the turn up here in Florida. So I'm just about to do my little thing right here and get on down to South Beach and see what it's looking like. I think it's a 30% chance of rain, but I've never known that to stop South Beach from you know, partying and working hard. So stay tuned. Here we go. What is going on right here in Fort Lauderdale? As you can see, no bus driver. So what happens? She stops and goes to Dunkin' Donuts. Are you serious? I'm not lying. Look, man. She walked over Dunkin' Donuts, and I guess she said, "I'm gonna get a donut." And I've never seen this happen before. I don't know what to say. I've never seen this happen before. Stop the bus in the middle of the street to get some donuts. I mean, we could just take off right now. I think the keys are still in the bus. Wow. I guess only in Florida, right? People just do what they want to do, man. Alright, man, we're here in South Beach. Made it. Got a new friend, Oscar. What's up, man?
What's going on, man?
Doing alright?
Doing alright.
Originally from San Diego, man. Chilling out in Peru. I told him I might have to get to Peru one day, man. Real soon. So right now, man, we're about to go to Pizza Russica and not get hit. And these people don't play out here, man. They will run over you. What you think? We got it?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go to Pizza Russica or Rustica. Is it Russica or Rustica? Rustica. And try to, hopefully my friend Mariana is working there. I'm gonna try to surprise her. She doesn't know I'm coming, so hopefully she's there. Best pizza on South Beach, $5. What's up, what's up? How you doing? I'm here, I'm back, I'm here. Good, good. I figured that you and I would surprise you.
want me to take one with that camera?
Mariana, hola, hola, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo está? Bien.
Gusto que hayas venido a visitarme.
Ajá.
Un año, ¿no? Pasó un año. ¿De
Yeah.
last year you come?
Last year? Yes, last year? Yes, sí.
I'm happy
Yes.
que tú estás aquí.
I'm here, yes.
Sí. Vamos a...
Man, this is the best pizza in the world. Pizza Rustica here on South Beach. It's crazy out here, man. This is just the beginning right now. But hey, shout out to Mariana, man, that y'all just saw. Hooked us up, man, with some nice, nice pizza, man. I think she might have even went on break too, so. We got off the bus right there, man. Walked across the street, came right here, and now it's time to turn up on South Beach, man. The weather was gloomy. Even if you look at the forecast, it said it's supposed to rain, but it's no rain in sight, and the ladies keep coming out. So anyway, that's about it for right now. Maybe I hit up the beach in a little bit. We'll see what we can see. And this is one of my favorite buildings right here in Miami. I don't know exactly what it is. I always kind of walk by it, but it's cool. I like this thing, man. If you look at the app, I'm not gonna pull out my phone, but on the phone it says that it's supposed to be raining right now. So you can't always go by this technology, guys. Technology will fail you. Right here on the beach, it looks great to me. A few clouds in the sky, but enough to get out and have a little fun. Right now, man, we're on Ocean Drive. This is Ocean Drive, guys. Having a little bit of fun here, walking around, just seeing what's up today. So the clouds have dissipated, the sun is out. Beautiful day on South Beach. So we're here, Miami Beach, and guys, South Beach. Now, those of you wondering, why do I come to South Beach so much? It's for the beautiful weather. So, you get a chance, guys, have fun, live life to the fullest, man. Get out and get some vitamin D in your life. Get in the ocean, have some fun, swim with the fish.
That's really cool, man.
And it's South Beach, man. Welcome to South Beach. All right, y'all, man. So I'm still here in South Beach, man. I got my homie D about to get up with me, man. If y'all don't know, man, if y'all see me when I went to Tampa and when I went to Daytona, Orlando, this is my Florida Connect right here, man. D High Tower, man. So it's about to be on, man. I'm telling you, D, what's popping?
Hey man, what's going on,
Let's get it, man. Let's get it. You good? You good, man?
I'm good, man. Hey,
How was it, man? How was
the
it?
trip was a little rocky, but that's okay, because this is my first ever trip to Miami, man. So
Okay.
I'm having a great time. It's
Okay.
fun, man. I'm looking forward to the action. Let's make miracles happen.
All right. How do you like South Beach so far, man?
South Beach is pretty nice, very historic. The ladies are looking good, so
Yeah.
yeah, man. All we miss is now the reggaeton, man. Reggaeton.
Okay. Well, guys, we're about to get D checked in, man, and I got no further words right now, man. I have no further words right now. They say that it's supposed to be raining all day on South Beach. Does this look like rain to you guys? Does this look like it's been raining all day? No. So you can't go by these apps, man. When I got here, the skies cleared up, man. The sun came out. I said, you know what? This is about to get into Cabano, man. Some nice Cuban food. We're gonna set you on point, man. So, look, man, whenever you're on South Beach, come to Cabano's, man. They got you. They got some nice technology in there. crazy screens everywhere. Man, shout out to Cubano, man, hooking the brother up, man. We got the nice turkey, man. Trying to stay healthy with it. Crazy sauce.
Oh, I'm sorry, hit this. Oh, I'm sorry. The scoop I made, the scoop.
Was it recording?
Yeah, this was recording.
Okay, that's cool.
Oh, that's how you're doing?
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. Like I said, man, I don't smoke, but when I do, I'm on South Beach. We're out here, man. We're out here on South Beach, having fun. This is what it's all about, man. You kick off the shoes, you throw them down somewhere, and you just keep walking, man, until you get to the sand, to the water, man. I might jump in, but today, I'm just living in the moment, man. But it's cold, man. Woo. As you can see, man, life out here, man. Tomorrow I might jump in the water, have fun. Right now, we chill.